Jesus said that we are the light of the world, but it's only because of his light that we are. Psalms 27:1 says that the Lord is my light and my salvation. But then if you go to Psalms 119 and 105, it says that your word is a light unto my pathway. But then I turn the pages to Matthew 5:16, and it says, let your light so shine that men may see your good works and glorify the Father which is in heaven. This is my favorite right here. 1 John 1:7 says, but if we walk in the light as he is the light. Jesus, you are the light of my life. All that I am is because of your light. Lord, I know whatever I do, visions and dreams will always come true. Jesus, you are